What's up, sneakerheads? Coming back at y'all with another video. How y'all doing?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this, make sure you're liking this video. All we ask is to like the video and subscribe. That's all we ask for. Two things.
Hey, like it and to subscribe. That's it.
We're just coming at you live, hitting y'all up with these updates. You can tell us about these Jordan Low golf shoes.
Yeah. So right now they did come out today. You know, sizes are available. It wasn't available on the Nike sneaker app, but on Nike.com they did release them. So right now they out there. So check them out. If you're looking to get them, they are shoes available for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So moving on. The next thing I need to talk about today, the Nike had the draw for the 20th anniversary Fragment collab. I did enter in for those, and as you see that I posted on our community tab, I took an L, big L, as usual. Nike won't let me get those high dollar value shoes. I don't know why. Come on, Nike.
Yeah, look out.
Send me some free shoes, man.
Right,
I'm trying to help you out, promote your brand. Send me something for free.
Right, look out for us. Look out for us.
So just to let you know, those did sell out, and they ain't no size available.
They sold out?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Done so already. Those are customizable shoe. Check out that short right up there.
Yes, sir. So next shoe that's coming out Saturday is the Cherry Woods on the 17th. Right now, the Hibbert Sports raffle is open for that for select few. So check it out, those Cherry Woods.
So you mean they still ain't loaded on the sneakers app?
No.
I mean they still ain't no updates on the sneaker app?
Listen. Hey, I'm fed up with the sneaker app. I'm fed up with it. They let me down, but they gonna come through. They always have came through, so I can see them coming through. It's just a glitch in the system.
Not on Father's Day.
Hey, I'm not even gonna go into that.
Check out that video, sneakerheads.
It's all good. It's all good.
So finishing up our updates for this week, we have the news of Z Sneakerhead confirmed that there will be 4 new Travis Scott sneakers releasing this year. And if you want to see more details on that, check out that short right here.
So, hey, if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.